Dear student, I welcome you all in my grammar class. In my previous classes, I taught you some important use of words. Item number 3. At first, I taught you use of be word, that is was word, were word. Then I taught you use of have to, has to, had to. We used have to and has to in present tense, and we used had to in past tense. Then I taught you use of would rather. Would rather is used to mean preference between two work. I would rather die than live. I would rather stay at home than go out at night. Then had better. Had better, born bhalo. I had better read my book. You had better go home. You feel sick, so you had better see a doctor. Then, in my previous classes, I taught you use of let alone. Let alone, that is, we cannot think anything or we cannot imagine anything. For example, the man cannot walk a mile, let alone 10 miles. He cannot swim a kilometer, let alone 5 kilometers, and so on. Next, I taught you use of fatigue. To express fear or anxiety. I don't like to travel by old car. The bus made an accident. Fatigue, I had been in the bus. Today, I will teach you use of as soon as, no sooner had than, especially had when, hardly had before. Now, as soon as. As soon as joins two sentences, as soon as means जैमात्र और देखते ना देखते. As soon as joins two sentences, the two sentences may be present tense or past tense. Now I will show you. As soon as the sun goes down, As soon as the sun sets, the earth as soon as the sun sets, the earth grows dark. As soon as he sees me, he talks to me. Here, as soon as joins two sentences, he sees me, he talks to me. The first sentence is present tense, the next sentence is also present tense. In the same way, as soon as the sun sets, the human should do that, the earth grows dark, prithiviটা অন্ধকার হয়. In the next sentence, I will show you as soon as I reach the station. As soon as I reach the station, the train left. Here, I reach the station is past tense. The same way, the train left the station. As soon as I reach the station, this first sentence is past tense. In the same way, the train left the station. The second sentence is also past tense. So, as soon as joins two sentences, these sentences may be present tense or past tense. In the same way, as soon as he passed BA, he got along. He got along. Past tense. He passed BA is also past tense. Here, as soon as is a conjunction, it joins two sentences. These sentences may be present tense or past tense. Now, you will be able to understand the structure of as soon as, and you will produce such kind of sentences more and more. Next, I will show you use of used to. Used to. Used to. Used to is used to mean the habit of past. It may be regular habits or irregular habits. used to mean past habit. Regular or irregular. Used to. What is the opposite of used to? Watch it. We use used to mean past habit. Past habit, it may be regular or irregular. For example, I used to catch fish when I was 10 years old. I used to catch fish when I was 10 years old. He used to smoke. He used to smoke when he was young. He used to smoke when he was young. The same way, he used to play cricket. He used to play cricket. He used to play cricket when he was in class 10. He used to play cricket and he was in class 10. In the same way, he used to smoke. He used to smoke when he was young. I used to catch fish when I was 10 years old. This means the regular habits, regular past habit. When I was 10 years old, I used to catch fish. In the same way, he used to smoke when he was young. In his youth, he regularly smoked. In the same way, he used to play cricket when he was in class 10. He used to play cricket when he was class 10. Now, I will show you the irregular habit of past tense. I used to meet my relatives when I used to meet my relatives when I would get free time. Here, this habit is irregular. Now, instead of used to, we can use would. I would meet my relatives when I would get free time. When I would get free time. Meena used to help her poor neighbors. Meena used to help her poor neighbors. Here, instead of used to, we can use would. Would. Meena used to help her poor neighbors, or Meena would help her poor neighbors. So, use of used to. Used to, we use used to mean past habit. Past habit, it may be regular or irregular. I used to catch fish when I was young. This sentence expresses regular habits of past tense. Past habit. He used to smoke when he was young. In his youth, he regularly smoked. This also means past habit. In the same way, he used to play cricket when he was class 10. When he was in class 10, he regularly played cricket. I used to meet my relatives when I would get free time. This habit is irregular habit. I used to meet my relatives. আমরা আপনাদেরকে ভিজিট করতাম when I would get free time. যখন আমরা সময় পেতাম. This habit is past habit, but it is regular, not regular. That's irregular. The same way, when I used to help her poor neighbors. This also, this means irregular past habit. Now, I will show you use of no sooner, had, than. Use of no sooner, dash, than. Especially when, hardly, dash, before. In the whiteboard, we can see no sooner, dash, than, especially, dash, when, hardly, dash, before. All these three conjunctions, this conjunction joins two sentences. No sooner, dash, than, especially, dash, when, hardly, dash, before. This conjunction joins two sentences. The first sentence will be past perfect tense, and the second sentence will be past indefinite tense. देखते ना देखते কোন কিছু দেখতে না দেখতে আরেকটি ঘটনা ঘটলো, করতে না করতে, খেতে না খেতে ইত্যাদি। No sooner than. We will use past perfect tense after no sooner, and we use past indefinite tense after that, after when, after before, just after before. No sooner had I seen the bird, then it flew away. No sooner had I seen, that is, I had seen. The structure is past perfect tense. No sooner had. In past perfect tense, we use subject, then had. Next, we use past participle form of verb. But in the case of no sooner, we use had, then we use subject, then we use past participle form of verb. In the same way, no sooner had I, this is the expression, no sooner had I read the expression, then the train left. You especially had been passed. We especially had been when he got resolved. Hardly had I seen my friend. Hardly had I seen my friend before I talked to him. Here, no sooner that than joins two sentences. The first sentence will be past perfect tense, and the next sentence will be past indefinite tense. It flew away, past indefinite tense. It flew away. No sooner I seen the bird. No sooner had I, that is, I had seen. Instead of I had seen, we use had I seen. In the same way, no sooner had I reached the station. This sentence is past perfect tense. Then the train left. Especially had, similarly, especially had he passed BA when he got resolved. Hardly had I seen my friend before I talked to him. Here the conjunction hardly before. Especially when. Especially when. Especially when two sentences, the first sentence is past perfect and the next sentence is past indefinite tense. In my next class, I will show you use of phrase and clauses. Thank you all. You will try to do these phrases in your from your books, and you will be able to understand them clearly. If you feel any problem, I will help you in my next class. Thank you all.